So we started with slowing down, and we did whatever helped in the moment to practice slowing down, body and mind, be it through breath work or humming a sound or gentle movement together. And to Steve, this felt like a protective safe space because he can anchor himself to the here and now and not get lost in his own thoughts. He could observe his thoughts better and start to understand why they are there. So, what happened next? Steve gradually felt safe enough to express himself. Through this, he became more aware of his thoughts, his sensations, and also his emotions. We practiced listening without criticizing or fixing the other. And that's really what he missed growing up.